Hey Sam, I've got your quiz here, and so you missed two questions, so I'd like to go over both of those with you. So the first one says, consider the function represented by the equation 6q equals 3s minus 9. Write the equation in function notation where q is the independent variable. So because q is the independent variable, we need to actually solve for s in this equation. We want to get s by itself, and I think you might have done it the other way around. It looks like you divided everything by 6, but instead we need to add 9 to both sides. And then we need to divide everything by 3. And so 6q divided by 3 is 2q, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and then that's equal to s. So f of s equals 2q plus 3. So if you're wondering, if you can remember slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, remember that x is your independent variable and y is your dependent variable. So that means when you're solving with q as the independent, we want q here, and then we want s here, so you're solving for s. Question 7 looks similar. Consider the function represented by 9x plus 3y equals 12 with x as the independent. How can this function be written using function notation? So again, we would solve for y is what you want to do, and it looks like you might have solved for x. So solving for y, we subtract 9x from both sides. 3y equals negative 9x plus 12. And then we divide everything by 3. Y equals negative 3x plus 4. So there you go, that option there. So it looks like two very similar questions. You just solved for the wrong variable in both instances. So whichever one is independent, you're solving the equation for the other variable, in this case y. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions.